Alright guys, we got a little impromptu video here. I'm at my parents' house, whitewashing the fireplace again. I know y'all liked my last video. All you need is some white chalk paint. I'll put a picture of it up right here so you can check it out. Paintbrush, maybe a Folgers can, and you're good to go. Alright guys, so to mix the chalk paint, it's actually quite simple. I have this linen white by Rust-Oleum here, this chalk paint, and you mix 1 part water with 1 part paint. So in this case I did a ½ cup of water and ½ cup of the chalk paint. It's that easy. You can use a little paint stick, or in this case a bamboo stick. And just one fun fact, bamboo can actually grow up to 164 feet tall. That's all there is to it. Super quick, looks really nice, looks like brand new.